Thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to do a 15-minute body weight HIIT cardio ab workout. So we're going to be jumping around. We're going to be having a blast. We're going to do this entire workout together. So here are some of the things that you need for this workout. I happen to like a mat from time to time just to alleviate some of that pressure with all the jumping from my feet. So a mat you can grab, and again, your body weight. There's going to be 20 rounds. We're going to be exercising for 35 seconds, and we're going to be doing rest for 10 seconds. So again, we're doing it together. Don't worry about it. Just follow along, and always pause the video if you need to take a break. Let's get started. Have your good old jumping jacks for this one. I want you to stay light on the feet. I want you to engage your abs, and we're doing jumping jacks. We're doing a little bit of Heisman jumps here, so we're getting those knees up high and we're skipping over. So it's like skip, skip, high knee, skip, skip, high knee. Alright, alternating legs here. I need you to act like you're kicking somebody, so you're crossing your body and you're kicking across your body. Use those abs to lift up that leg. Hands together at your chest. I want you to twist back and forth, side to side. You're using your abs to coordinate that jump. Stay light on the feet and make sure that you're breathing. Alright, so arms are going to pulse back twice, and you're going to touch the ground and do a squat jump. So arms back, touch the ground, squat jump. So there should be an opening in your chest as you do this workout, and you're squatting down, toning those legs as well, doing a jump. So we have skier jumps back and forth. Pump that arm, pump those legs, stay light on the feet, and you're simply hopping from side to side. Alright, this time we're just kicking right out, same side that our leg is on. So we're not crossing our body, we're just kicking straight out. You're using those abs and your obliques to do so. Alright, so we have some pendulum pop, so your hands are out in front of you, you're hopping side to side, and basically your foot is landing in the same spot each time as you push that leg out to either side. This is working your cardio and your abs. Alright, so we have squat jumps. I want you to squat down 90 degrees and jump up as high as you can, activating those abs. Alright, we got plank jumps, and we're going to spread our legs and we're going to jump out. And you can step up or you can jump up. So hands down, you can jump back or step back, feet go out and stand up. Alright, so we have plank walks. I want you to walk side to side. I'm doing just the length of my mat, and you're going to engage your abs. So again, each leg that goes out, that same hand should go out so that you can stay coordinated. We have butt kickers. I want you to get those feet all the way up to those glutes. Stay light on the feet just like you're running, and get that cardio back up. You to do squat jumps along the length of your mat. So these are going to really tone and shape those legs and get those cardio up. So you're staying very light, you're just doing squat jumps down the length of the mat. All right, you're in a plank position. You're drawing those knees to your chest. If you want to speed it up and do mountain climbers, you can. Otherwise, stay at the pace I am and just draw that knee to your chest, activating those abs. Alright, we have bicycle kicks lying on our back. So instead of crossing over your body, I just want you to pump those legs as though you're doing bicycles. And as you can see, I'm not doing this extremely fast. I want you to simply work on activating that pelvic floor and those abs. Alright, so you're in a side plank, you're doing an oblique lift, and then you're doing a crunch. So 2 oblique lifts, and then you're bringing that knee and doing a crunch. So go ahead and take a chill pill for a second. You're in a plank and you're jumping up doing plank jacks. So you're going all the way down to Sphinx pose, which is a yoga pose. And as you come up, you're doing a plank jack. Right side is down, you're doing your 2 oblique lifts, and then you're doing an ab crunch, bringing that knee into your chest. So we have scissor kicks, really big ones, or you can stay low to the ground. I'll let you pick because we are almost done. We are on our second to last exercise. You can put your hands under your glutes or you can put them behind your head. I want you to pump those legs as fast as you can so you're truly working those low abs. Make sure that you're breathing for this one. Alright, last exercise. Let's pump up those mountain climbers. We're going faster this time. I want you to breathe up through your mouth. I want you to get that knee all the way up to your chest as much as you can. Keep going. I'm going across my body now. So we're halfway done. You're going across doing your mountain climbers. If that's too hard, you can just do traditional. Or you can leave out the mountain climbers and just slow the pace down so that it best fits your needs. We got 5 seconds, we got 4 seconds, we got 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and 1. That is how you do it. I hope your cardio is up as much as mine. Good job. So make sure that you're signing up for my videos by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to like so that my videos can continue to rise to the top. See you later.